costume being designed by Miss Vasapi Devi, and the whole ramp was being choreographed by Julie Baby. So I would like to request our ma'am Vasapi Devi, designer of the final round, to please join us onto the stage. Vasapi Devi, and of course, the choreographer, Miss Julie Baby.
You're looking fantastic today.
Thank you so much for your compliment.
Are you nervous? Excited?
I'm excited, sir.
Perfect. That's okay. Okay, so your question, coming straight to the question. Why should we select you as our new title holder?
Thank you so much for your question, sir. Well, firstly, I would like to say about my fellow contestants. They had also worked hard to be here tonight. They have, throughout this journey, they had also made me very happy, and they were kind towards me. They had also shared a lot of things towards us, and each and every girl of them were kind towards each other. Well, you should select me as your new title holder, because I'm confident, kindness, and I am very, and I am very,
Tôi đâm lòng mình được ơi. Nó có mong được.
you should select me as your title holder because throughout this journey, I have learned a lot of things. I have learned the importance of discipline, confidence, and to make a positive impact for our Caribbean law. But and this platform will give me a great opportunity to bring a new chance for a Caribbean law. And I will love and I will make my parents proud through this platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
I love you.
Thank you. Up next, finalist number 9. Contestant number 9.
Nada. Hả? Hả? Không mà vào đâu.
Good evening, contestant number 9.
Good evening, ma'am.
Can you kindly leave this side? Hi, how are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling excited.
Are you ready for the question?
Sure, ma'am.
Here we go. If God granted you one wish, what would you wish for?
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am. And also, welcome to our Caribbean Youth Festival.
Thank you.
So my answer about this is that if God give me a wish, I would like to wish a mirror of reflection, not only about the physical, but to see the heart of people, that to remember how to treat each other well. And not only that, we have a kind heart, so we together build a beautiful place with love and care. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you so much. That was fantastic.
So that was contestant number 9, and I would like to request the third finalist, contestant number 11.
evening.
Good evening, sir.
So, are you confident that you are winning the title tonight?
Yes, I'm super confident that I could win the title tonight.
Okay, that's great. So, my question is, it's we have a totem and we have a national symbol, right? The Karbis have their national symbol, the totem. Do you know what it is?
Yes, sir. Thank you for your question, sir.
That was not my question, but I am asking you.
The Karbi symbol is the Jambalia thong,
Okay.
which is the identity of the Karbi culture.
Okay, now tell me something about Jambalaya.
Jambalia thong is the most powerful, which serve the Karbi cultural community and the spiritual belief of the Karbi. Jambalia thong is made up of benwoi tree, which is called in Karbi benwoi keer, and also which is called in English as wooden crab. Jambalia thong have 5 branches. At the end of 5 branches, there is each parts, a wooden parts which is called in Karbi wajaru, and in English it is called reket tel drongo. And also each 5 branches are considered to be the 5 clans of the Karbi. The 5 clans are Tumjang, Ejang, Lijang, Hanjang, and Kronjang. And each 5 clans have their own sub-clans. And Jambalia thong is made by chosen craftsmen who receive a divine guidelines through their dreams to emphasize the sacred natures of its creation. That's all, sir.
Thank you very much. Very fantastic answer. It was precise. But you missed the simple line. The most important thing. It's a symbol of unity. Thank you very much.
Sir.
Who is your idol? Who do you look up to and why?
Okay, thank you so much for the question, sir. I really appreciate you so much. Well, my idol will be my mother. She is everything for me. Since child, she's been my idol. The way she inspired me, the way she overcome all troubles without any fear. That's the way she inspired me the most, and I really love her. So, yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, can I stretch the question? If you don't mind?
Yes, sir. Sure.
So it was a very beautiful answer. However, if you put a twist to the question, apart from your any family member, okay, do you have any other idol that you look up to?
Yes, sir.
Can be anybody.
Yes. So I have an idol. My idol, that is our Karbi legendary woman, that is Rongparpi Rongbe.
And why? Can you tell us a little about her?
She is a legendary woman of our Karbi Anglong. She chased away the Kacharis that were trying to harass her. So I think she sells herself with a weapon, so I admire her. So, thank you.
According to our co-judge, she was the symbol of courage, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So thank you so much. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
is, of course, the last finalist, contestant number 13.
Good evening, lady in black.
Good evening, ma'am.
Are you feeling nervous?
No, ma'am.
Not at all, right?
Not at all.
You're really looking confident. Okay, my question to you is very simple. Tell us something about yourself and what is your proudest accomplishments?
Well, thank you, ma'am, for asking me this question. I'm a very hardworking girl. Everyone is hardworking, yes. But I'm confident that my unique plans
It's alright. You just tell us something about yourself. Anything about yourself.
okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Well, I'm a very brave girl. I have accomplished very good, like very big titles in my life. Well, I won national judo in our school level and national basketball also and district level yoga. So these were all my accomplishments, which makes me very bold and brave. Now I want to teach our young ones to defend themselves, because nowadays people are very harsh to women. So in order to empower women and young girls, I want to teach them what I have learned in my life. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Good luck for your future.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Also, put your hands together for the finalists as they walk to them for the last time.
चीनी ने मेरे सीधा हंड्रेड जल्दी दी
Number 5.
Okay, the best work goes to Miss Pirbi Terangpi. So I would like to request Miss Shakshi Biswakarma to give away the title to Miss Pirvi Cherampi, the best walk.
As I call out the second runners-up of Miss KYF 2025. Ke thomang deng long Hyundun Raja ke cepati pati Miss KYF long. Abang here man. No, hem. Okay. Put your hands together. Second runners-up Miss KYF 2025. Hunmili Timongpi! Put your hands together, everyone! Second runners-up, Miss KYF 2025. Of giving away finally, the time has come. Bang Thomang Bongsi, inut ke Miss KYF 2025. Asi kumana bangsi Raja Kemenai non mat ingwai not. Apot na pilo, saka po na piko. Okay. Miss KYF 2025. Kumaha? Nih. Okay, nih high heel nih seperti ini. Okay, winner of Miss KYF 2025, the very beautiful, the very talented. Ini ngedok nai, ini ngejing sam nai, ada kadu be, ini ngejing sam nai. Pirvi Cherampi, winner of Miss KYF 2025. Here we go. Pirvi Cherampi. Come on, everyone, put your hands together for the winner of Miss KYF 2025. And to give away the crown, I would like to request winner of Miss KYF 2024, Serlika Rompipi. Pirvi Cherampi, alangli Miss KYF 2025 anongli Sipahai pen alangli ilitum angno arsablo lapen alangli phansi account ilitum Miss KYF 2024 Serlika Rompipi henpensi pagil papa. First time as the winner, Miss KYF